Welcome back, fair weather adventurers. Yes, I'm still alive. Just been a bit preoccupied since my last ride, so just catching up now. And for the record, this video was in April, so I'm a little way behind. This is just a short video of a loop ride from Rocky to Mount Morgan, checking out the Mount Morgan mine from Arthur Tim's Lookout, as well as testing out some of my new toys. On the helmet chin mount, I have a GoPro Hero 11 Black. The rear camera is a GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini. And the drone is a DJI Neo. Definitely need more time in the cockpit to practice that one. On this ride, we start off heading south from Rockhampton along the Bruce Highway, turning right onto the Burnett Highway heading into Mount Morgan. Leaving Mount Morgan, we do a loop back onto the Burnett Highway, taking a left on Razorback Road. Then Poison Creek Road, which leads us back to Burnett Highway. Once we get into Boulder Cone, I turn right onto a Remby road. And then about halfway along, turning left onto McGilno Road, which leads us back to the Bruce Highway. That just about wraps it up. Please like and subscribe and look out for the next video where I have a rather big off. It was very painful. Hopefully the footage captured it well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next fair weather adventure.